It's been hours. It's been hours. Go for it. Go for it. That's too far. That's too far. What's the harm? What's the harm? Have you found? Have you found? Are you drunk? Are you drunk? Turn off the television. Turn off the television. I was inside the house. I was inside the house. I went to the airport by taxi. I went to the airport by taxi. A dog bit her on the leg. A dog bit her on the leg. Don't make me say it. Don't make me say it. Your book is on the desk. Your book is on the desk. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? In the meantime, he went to sleep. In the meantime, he went to sleep. Everything went wrong. Everything went wrong. I will see you tomorrow. I will see you tomorrow. You are getting late for school. You are getting late for school. She doesn't even let me eat. She doesn't even let me eat. May I say something now? May I say something now? All of you did good work. All of you did good work. Who do you think he is? Who do you think he is? Think before you speak. Think before you speak. I can do anything but study. I can do anything but study. He is no ordinary person. He is no ordinary person. Are your hands clean? Are your hands clean? Don't crowd on me. Don't crowd on me. This is my favorite fruit. This is my favorite fruit. Everything happens for the best. Everything happens for the best. My tea has gone cold. My tea has gone cold. It's not your fault. It's not your fault. Why don't you shut up? Why don't you shut up? She is leaving on Friday. She is leaving on Friday. I will be back in a minute. I will be back in a minute. She doesn't get along with anyone. She doesn't get along with anyone. I am not used to it. I am not used to it. Go and take a nap. Go and take a nap. She is my whole sister. She is my whole sister. Can't say for sure. Can't say for sure. Think whatever you want. Think whatever you want. I have only met her once. I have only met her once. Did you get vaccinated? Did you get vaccinated? The road is clear, come quickly. The road is clear, come quickly. The sky is clear today. The sky is clear today. I was just asking. I was just asking. Take a bite. Take a bite. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. Turn off the light. Turn off the light. Wash your face. Wash your face. See you next time. See you next time. Is this for me? Is this for me? No, it's not for you. No, it's not for you. It's for somebody else. It's for somebody else. Keep distance. Keep distance. Keep mum. Keep mum. Why are you standing? Why are you standing? All the same. All the same. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Don't talk much. Don't talk much.